This company actually is becoming essentially the fifth largest country. It's a company, but it's behaving like a country. Let's look at the banking stocks, because people will always have an interest in banking, because I only have a couple more minutes before Aaron takes over. And one of the stocks I kind of like right now is Charles Schwab. It's a bank, but it seems to be the one that has dropped the most and is doing its best to recover in the light of other stocks and banks like Bank of America that have dropped since the banking crisis, but have yet to recover. Take a look at Bank of America. It's basically right around $1 higher than where it dropped to. JP Morgan doing a little bit better. It has recovered from its fall of the banking crisis, and it's basically closer to its highs. JP Morgan is a notorious bank for not getting into trouble when the trouble hits the fan because it's so conservative. And as anybody has a Chase account, you know you don't get paid on it. So you have to move your money to another bank if you really have extra cash that you want to get a yield on. But the one that's really surprising me is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, I would love to own this stock, but it's just not performing. It's just not making it. The banking crisis came and it shot the price down. It tried to rally, but now guess what? It's closer to its lows. I'm staying away from Goldman, and I've been a big believer in Goldman forever, but I don't like the price action. And so I can't get solidly behind banking right now. The only thing that shows, and we all know what it is technology. Technology is leading the way. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. There is a FOMO going on with these products. Here is Apple. Apple, I think if everybody knows, I remember when it turned into a $1 trillion company about a year and a half ago. And today we are now closing in at $3 trillion company. This company actually, with its market cap, is becoming essentially the fifth largest country. It's a company, but it's behaving like a country in terms of its capital value. That, to me, doesn't feel good. I'm a believer in Apple. I believe everybody should own some. However, I don't like it here. I don't like it here. This is a stock that was 120 earlier this year, in the 120s. I can't seem to buy it at 190 and think it's a bargain. So for me, I can't get into these things, and I am not going to reach for a stock that has gone up 70% in 1 year. Just can't do it. So that leaves us with some of the other, the 7 stocks, as you can see what they are. The Amazons. If I Google through them, you'll see how they've all gone up enormously. Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, Nvidia, Tesla. These are stocks that have just kept and held the entire market higher. That's where we are today. Where we go in the third quarter, I'm expecting the market to muddle around for a couple of months, but I certainly don't want to go into September thinking we're going to get a big rally then, when September is always a pivotal month, generally going opposite to the direction of the market that it went to going into September. So I'm going to sit pat personally on the side, let the AI do its work, focus in on the dividend types of stocks, make sure we get paid to be in the market this year, but take as little risk as possible. And with that, Aaron?
Thanks, Kelly. Appreciate that.